And he's been really good, you know, with meeting new dogs and stuff. He's really good at it.
Come on, Bo.
That's it, I'm done.
Are you taking a picture?
Sundays, holy shit.
Okay, I'm going to get a picture too. Oh,
He had 16 a couple Sundays ago. Walking here. We had 2 dogs. One is a service keeper.
come on, let's go.
They're in the service, but they got this little dog, and we thought it was just nasty. And whenever they met up with people on the sidewalk and stuff.
Oh, really?
Come on.
The first time we tried to meet them in the woods, the man was way off in the woods with the dog, and we talked to the woman. So we persuaded her to bring him out. And after all over once, I think, and all of them just kind of turned on it. No, in Margaret, she comes now every Sunday, and
Come, Boogie.
he plays with the other dogs. He goes down on the river with them. They get out of the van, he just comes running.
Do you want Easton off?
Yes, that's what I want. Well, the main is here. You guys are fucking dog comes running to us and like say this day.
Well, you know what Bogey was saying to you?